Alright guys, so the good guys over at Olsa Tools sent me this 14-piece screwdriver set, and I pulled a couple of them out of the box and I wanted to compare them to my Harbor Freight set that I purchased a while back that I've had for probably about 1.5 years now, almost going on 2 years, that I use for everything. And here's the Harbor Freight model here. It's just a Pittsburgh Pro screwdriver with nice grip on it. It's got a tempered end on the end of it here so that it prevents breakage. And overall, this has held up well. I mean, I use it for its unintended purposes of, you know, hammering on the end of it. But I'm going to compare this to the screwdriver that came in the Ulsa tool set here. And this is the Ulsa screwdriver, so you can see the same tempered end there, and a very similar grip on here. Now, time will tell how this is actually going to hold up compared to that one down there, but overall, good impressions of the screwdriver. Side by side, you can see that the Ulsa is a little bit longer, quite significantly, probably about 1/3 longer than the equivalent Harbor Freight model is. So with the grip is a little bigger on the Ulsa model here versus the Harbor Freight model. So you can see this is they're both 1/4 inch flathead screwdrivers here, but I've used these Harbor Freight ones for years, and very few of them have actually broken, so I'm very excited to see how this one's going to stack up. I'm going to actually show you this whole screwdriver set actually mounted to my toolbox. Alright, so as you can see, this is the magnetic holder, and you can actually see that it actually goes on pretty nicely to my box here, and it will actually grip on pretty tight on this. And these slide rails, this is actually a slide rail, so each of these will move into place so that when you put your screwdrivers in place, the handle grip doesn't actually interfere or mess up the arrangement. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here with all of my screwdrivers populated on it. Alright, so as you can see, I have all of the screwdrivers, 14 of them in total, on the magnetic rack, and they actually fit quite nicely. It's a little tight for some of them, and I have them arranged from flatheads all the way down to the very small stub nose ones. But overall, it fits nicely. Zoom out here on the toolbox. It looks nice on it. And it also comes with that magnetic and demagnetizer that also has a magnet on it that sticks to the back of the toolbox as well. So, taking a look here, I'm going to go through the different screwdrivers in this set. Alright, so we have a PH3, PH2, 2 PH1s, and a PH0 on the Phillips head. We also have a 3/16 or 5/16, a 3/8, a 2 1/4, and then we have a 3/16 flathead on that set. You also have a T20 and a T15 Torx. And then on your stub nose, you have a 1/4 inch flathead and a PH2 Phillips. So overall, it is a tight fit on the rack. The rack actually comes with 16 of these, and they just slide right off of the end. There's a little retainer, so you just kind of move them a little bit, and then they'll slide right off. So you have 2 extras in case one of those wear out and break. So, big shout out to Olsa Tools for sending me this set, and we'll see how it holds up over time. So I have a special offer for anybody watching the video. You can get 10% off of this tool set and other tools that you purchase if you use the coupon code BTG10. That is B as in Boxer, T, Tech, Garage, BTG10. And you'll get 10% off of your order from Olsa Tools using the link that's in the description. Thanks for watching.